the criminal affidavit, the probable cause affidavit. And here's where we're going to find a lot of detailed information. We can see that Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office is the one that filed charges. I've redacted a lot of information here. It will be available for you when you do your background checks, but just for the sake of privacy for this poor woman. But the defendant's name would be right in here. White female, born in 1984. And again, it's going to be an exact birth date. She's charged with petty retail theft, which is shoplifting. And come down here, the victim's name I've redacted, but it's a large store. You would know it if I told it to you. The victim is on Congress Avenue, so the phone number, all this kind of stuff. And then come down more into the affidavit on such and such a day in 2014. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. We can read firsthand what the officer has to say here. On such and such a date in 2014 at approximately 18:55 hours, which is 5 minutes till 7 in the evening, while working an extra duty permit at the victim's store on Congress.